big section.
Fuck it. Alright. You think I should go all the way in here?
It doesn't. You don't have to go all the way in because it's just this shell that we need. Yeah. Yeah, you can put a roll cage in there now. Cool, thank you.
Cool. This one, do you think we should just do it to here?
Yeah, I wouldn't even worry about. Yeah, you don't even have to go all the way there, but
Just go up and then
just across. Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully this one he can work with it.
yeah.
Cause it's caved in right about here. Nice, you even went with the body line, the body
A
curve.
little bit. Yeah.
Yep.
There it is.
Cool. Thank you, Gary.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this just to put together my beater car. Gary's 2000, is it 2000?
Yeah.
2000 Civic.
Yeah.
What's up, Evan? This is Gary and his son, Evan.
Yeah.
Cool, Gary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm glad I could help with the rear quarters and some parts for the Integra.
Yeah. Well, man, if anyone needs parts, if anyone needs parts, you know, Gary's the guy. Gary's the guy.
Man, I can get you whatever you need. So
Yeah,
you're
just
in Colorado, just look me up on Facebook. I'm on all the Honda pages. So
okay.
hit me up.
I'll put his link below the description. Cool. Thanks, Gary.
Yep, no problem, man.
Alright, I just got done repairing the rust spot that ate through. Cut that out from the piece I got from my buddy Gary. Now I just got to cut the outside skin to replace that piece.
And then boom that on and hold it down.
Yeah.
Put a little pressure on it.
Okay. We just got done pulling the windshield out. It was more difficult than it should have been because this windshield was replaced several times. They've actually even glued this molding in. So with this grinder, I'm going to use it to grind down as much rust as I can get off. This is the results with the grinder, grinding out all the rust. As you can see on this quarter, and actually the whole body of this car, I'm having to take it down to bare metal, because if you can see the paint where it's the clear has peeled and it's been sitting around for a while, and so what happens is you get this rust that grows underneath because moisture is able to get through. So with this, I'm just having to take it down to bare metal and get rid of the rust. All right, it's late and I'm out of here. So here's an update on the quarter repair. This is what it looks like, and getting pretty close. Got the windows cut out, did the body work, and yeah, we'll get in primer and then and get it painted. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 3. If you like what you saw, please hit the like and subscribe button, and please share this video. Thank you.